Welcome back, Frac Crew. It's Frac Daddy Friday. You know what that means? We're going to be bringing you another awesome video from Frac Daddy Barbecue. So guys, on today's video, we're going to be doing a video that we took a poll on our Instagram and our YouTube channel. And the people out there on internet land said, hey, we want to see you do a side dish. So today's side dish, we're going to be doing our version of elotes. But not just any elotes. We're going to basically take some fresh corn on the cob, we're going to roast it up, we're going to take it off the cob, and we're going to make a deconstructed elote. So guys, stay tuned for this awesome side dish recipe. Guys, so here you see a first for Frac Daddy Barbecue. We're going to be using a charbroil gas grill. Now we're over at Melissa's parents' house, and this is her dad. So what we need this grill for is we need it to get up to screaming hot temperature. So we've got 3 of the 5 burners lit. So we're just going to let this come up to temperature. We're going to take you inside, and we're going to get the ears of corn ready to cook. Okay guys, so now that we're back inside and we got some better lighting, we have 4 ears of corn that we got from our HEB. So we are going to just take the husk off, all 4 of these, and we'll bring you back when we're done. So here we have our 4 ears of corn. Now all we have to do is we're going to brush them with some any kind of oil you want, canola oil, olive oil, your oil of choice. And also we're going to be using 1 fresh jalapeno that we're going to roast and grill so it's nice and soft. Tell you what, this sucker is hot. And grill it to how we'll show you how we're going to have it grilled. You can kind of do your own preference. Alrighty, here is our lovely 4 ears of roasted corn. Guys, have you ever been to the fair and you go to that vendor and they have roasted corn? That's the kind of smell that we have right here. So this is how we like our corn. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to put it on this cutting board, and we are going to cut it off of the husk. So let me show you. Off the cob, yes. So let me show you how we're going to do 1, and then before you know it, all 4 will be done. What do you think, babe? Seeds and all, or no?
No.
No seeds?
Not today. We have people that don't like heat.
Yeah. If it was just us, we would say leave them in, right, babe?
Oh, yeah.
In our mixing bowl, we have, obviously, our grilled corn, our jalapeno, sour cream, mayonnaise, and we have our ingredients that we're going to need. So we got cumin, New Mexico Red Chile, garlic powder, onion powder, some pepper, and some salt to taste. Everything will have proper amounts of ingredients that we're going to be using. Measurements, yes. So let's just dump this all in.
He's all confused. It will be in the description box, all the measurements.
Sorry guys, it's hot out here.
Yeah. Whew. It is.
This looks good already.
Smells incredible.
Yeah, Melissa's dad came out here and says, man, are y'all done with that? Because that smells pretty dang good. Unfortunately, we're not. So we're going to add 1 whole lime squeezed in here. Guys, how about you leave a comment down below if you like cilantro, if you don't like cilantro, and tell us what you think cilantro tastes like. Some people say cilantro tastes like soap.
We don't like too much of it, so we're just putting enough to our taste.
Yes. Okay guys, so if this is your first time stopping by Frac Daddy Barbecue and you happen to see this video, please do me a favor. Please like, subscribe to this crazy little channel that we have so you don't miss out on any cool recipes that we're going to be doing down the road. So here we have our Stargazer 10.5-inch cast iron skillet, which we lightly greased, and we're going to add, oh my gosh, I think I need some help. Camera girl, do you mind helping?
Sure. Oh, there's some jalapeno on the side of the bowl. Kind of looks like a fly, but it's not.
Yeah.
That is so funny.
Actually, this is going to be the perfect amount for this beautiful Stargazer cast iron pan that we have. Alright, now let's just spread this out in our cast iron pan, and we're going to put it back onto our gas grill, which our gas grill is setting around 400 degrees. I would say we're going to probably leave it in there for 15 to 20 minutes. It should start bubbling, and when that time comes, we'll just check. Basically, you just want to warm this through because everything is pretty much cooked already, and you're just bringing this up to temperature. All right, well, let's put her in here. So guys, this is actually Friday, a Frac Daddy Friday, and this is actually what we're going to be having for dinner. So tonight. So let me give this a taste test for you guys. You get the creaminess from the mayonnaise, the sour cream, get a little hint of the jalapeno. I tell you what guys, none of the seasonings are overpowering each other. Everything just complements everything perfectly. So guys, if you liked how simple and easy this recipe was, let us know what else that we can cook up, because we love cooking different ideas. So until next Frac Daddy Friday, we will see you then.